In 2016, the so-called godfather of AI, Geoffrey Hinton, said we should stop training radiologists because AI would soon do their job better than humans. It's 2025. AI now reads millions of X-rays and scans. So why are hospitals still hiring more radiologists, not fewer? Namaste and welcome, this is Sandeep from Wake Up Highlights. If you love sharp, no-nonsense breakdowns on AI, jobs, and geopolitics, please subscribe, like, and share Wake Up Highlights. It really helps us bring you more of these reality check videos. Let's rewind. Back then, the fear was simple. If AI can read scans more accurately, radiologists are finished. Fast forward to today. AI is actually very good at some tasks, spotting tiny lung nodules on CT scans, flagging suspicious areas on mammograms, comparing thousands of images in seconds. In many hospitals, AI acts like a super-fast screening tool, helping doctors catch things earlier than before. So the prediction should have come true, right? Radiologists out, AI in? That's not what happened. In real life, hospitals discovered something important. AI is powerful, but it's also narrow. It doesn't understand the full story of a patient. It doesn't know their history, their other diseases, or whether a suspicious spot on a scan actually matters for this person. So instead of replacing radiologists, AI became a second pair of eyes, a tireless assistant that highlights possible problems, prioritizes urgent cases, and reduces the chance that something obvious is missed. But here's the twist. In surveys, most radiology departments say they use AI, yet only a small number say it has actually reduced their workload. Many say it has increased it. Why would AI increase the workload? Because now radiologists must check every AI alert, filter out false alarms, document why they agree or disagree with the AI, and explain all this to other doctors and to patients. There's also time spent learning new tools, dealing with integration problems, and making sure the AI is not biased or unsafe. So the job didn't disappear, it changed. Radiologists moved from just reading images to being final decision makers, balancing AI output, medical evidence, and real-world responsibility. And this is the big lesson for all of us worried about AI and jobs. Most white-collar jobs probably won't vanish overnight. Instead, they'll split into what AI does fast and cheaply and what humans still do best: judgment, context, ethics, and empathy. If you learn to work with AI instead of running from it, you don't become less valuable. You become harder to replace. This is Sandeep from Wake Up Highlights. If you found this useful, I humbly request you to subscribe, like, and share this video. And please check the description for full details and important links.